Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the McKinley Middle Magnet School reading log, and this is completely digital. It is using Google Sheets, so it is pretty cool, so take a look. First thing you want to do is fill in your student name, obviously right here. You're going to fill in the title of the book that you are currently reading. And keep in mind that I have shaded each part that you will need to fill in blue. So hopefully that'll make things a little easier for you. So I've already selected the second 9 weeks because we are still in the second 9 weeks. You'll want to look at the book level of your book. And to do that, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to find some links. So you're going to click on AR Book Find. It's going to pop up with a little link and you're going to click that. From there, you're just going to select that you are a student and that you are trying to search for your book. It'll tell you the book level. Just send me a private comment if you're having trouble finding your book. So right here is going to be the cool part. This is where you enter your number of pages in your book. So if you were just now starting a brand new book and you're just going to start on page 1, let's say your book has 290 pages. So this is going to actually calculate how many days it's going, or how many pages you should be reading per day so that you can finish it within a 2-week period. So if I enter the number of pages as 290 and then I click off, it's going to calculate that I need to read 21 pages per day in order to reach my completion date and be done with this book by that date. So as you can see, I have my number of days right here. So it's 14 days, which is equal to 2 weeks. And then this is my planning page start. So this can change. Obviously, if you can't read 21 pages a day, this is not going to look the same over here. This is just a plan. So on day 1, you are planning to read from pages 1 to 22. And so on the next day, you'll be able to read from pages 23 to 43 and so on. However, I know that that is still just the plan. So if, for instance, you can't read 22 pages a day, you actually only read until 15 pages, then you are going to have to kind of do some math here to figure out, okay, now I didn't read another 8 pages. So that means I'll need to read an additional 8 pages on this day. All right, so if I start or I stop right here, then I need to start at page 16. And we are still hoping to get to this end page right here by this date. So maybe this day you were able to read a little bit more, so you're able to catch up. You'll put 43. Now on day 3, let's say that you have a lot of extra time. It's over the Thanksgiving holidays, for instance, so you're able to read a lot more. So we're going to start on page 44 on that day, and then you're able to read, let's say, until the end of day 4. So you actually read until page 87. Now you have a free day here. You don't have to read because you did the extra work on this day. So you don't have to do anything right here. All you have to say is page 87 to 87 because you didn't read it all. And then from there, you just pick it right back up. All right, so once you are done within this 2-week time period, you're going to complete your plot summary of the book below. A simple way to do that is just the 5W charts. So who, what, when, where, and why. If you happen to finish a little early and you want to get started on another book, you can take a look down here and it has different books that you can add. All right, and if you want to add even more books, then right down here, you're going to right click and say duplicate. All right, and then you can rename it and say book 6. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a private message or send me an email.